Hello guys, today we talk about how to use freeze panel option. So this is the name of employees and this is the register numbers and this is the salaries of these employees. So we need to enter this data to down. So we need F and another is another data. So we can't see title of these column, name column, register column and salary column. So we need to freeze this row. So firstly second row select and go to view tab and go to freeze panel option and select freeze panel. Now you can see freeze this row like that. So we want to unfreeze, go to freeze panel and unfreeze panel. So we can see it's unfreeze. Freeze panel is very useful for Excel working. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.